Konaitsa palan, kemat kuisin patjuhnoi. Ito ain konya halalaitsa. Wako atech inku kussa. Konehi tolainno.
We'll stick her in there. Stick her around grandma, let's stick her around mom, let's stick her around dad, especially Uncle Ken.
Uncle Ken above anybody else. Wow! Go get her! Bruce, go get grandma.
Bruce, go get her. Get her. Go, go. Yeah, this turned out nice. So comfortable too.
Mm-hmm. It really is.
Isn't this pretty?
Mm-hmm. Just amazing to me, like how much of their food they're able to
Source.
Yeah.
I was so shocked this morning when she asked us to go pick more berries.
We were like,
We picked those clean yesterday.
yeah. We were like, I don't think there'll be any berries. And then we went out and there was a ton.
Yeah.
Well, it's like all the stuff that they're able to grow here. It's like we can't, not that we can't, it's that we're just not good at it. But the setup we have is so simple and compared to all that it takes to like put that together.
Remember, they can spend as much time on it as they want.
Yeah.
Where you guys are limited to the time you're off work.
Yeah.
But peaches, right off the tree.
Interesting how she has them all around one area, but I guess if you have to put the electric fence around it, that makes sense.
How are we on the canning?
Do
I need to do something?
Not
Do I
yet.
need to come in?
not yet. I was gonna call it good on the peaches. I think I need,
More?
well, if we quadruple it, we need 24 cups. I don't think that's 24 cups.
Bruce's face.
You know. In the,
He's like, wait,
There's so
where?
much
where-
work. And that garage is just meticulous. I mean, you don't see one of those boards that's like slide off of 90 degrees. But that's how Ken does stuff. I mean, I slap dash things together. He does not.
Yeah. When Noah and I do house projects, I'll be like, ah, it's fine.
That's close enough.
And you're like, are you sure? Are you sure? And I'm like, ah, it's fine.
I don't like doing them because I just focus on the things that I messed up
Yeah.
every time I see it.
It's never that big of a deal.
Yeah.
He loves it out here.
Mm-hmm.
Strawberry and okra, flowers. Then over there we have her peppers. Look at those guys. Wow. And there's the front of the house and the garage that my uncle and my aunt are building. It's a long driveway to get to the house. And I was told that there is a really nice view. Kind of sounds like maybe it's a beetle. This is a pretty view. Come on, Bruce. Makes me nervous to have him so close to the edge because it's like a drop off. Oh! He flew right by me. Ugh. See it? What is it? I don't know. It camouflages. Like when it flies, you see the red wings, but other than that, it's like completely camouflaged. What she has here. It's like a little apple tree. A little apple tree. Got another apple tree here, I think. Or is this peaches too? It may be peaches. And over here is her garden. Butterfly. This is her garden. Pumpkins. Little tomatoes aren't doing as good as we did last year. I don't remember what she said these bulb there. That's an onion. Green tomatoes, I think. And regular tomatoes. And all of these plants here. Oh, maybe it was asparagus, because I think she said that that was asparagus. I don't remember. It's got her flowers and then raspberries. Just like a ton of raspberries. We've been having them for breakfast on our cereal. But inside the garden, that's all raspberries too. And then she's got them out here. And these are all her fruit trees. And I won't go too close to them because she's got electrified fence around them because the deer like to eat them. But that tree, we picked all the peaches off of the first day we were here, and we had like 3 baskets of peaches. Oh, it's hot. It's fine in the shade, but like the sun here is a lot hotter than it is in Oregon. Hey, Moose. I think they made this deck as well, and the pagoda on top. Come here. He rolled in something too on his side. It was something, I mean, like deer shit probably.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Come on, bring him back. Good boy. Oh, I checked him. Then he's gonna get it. Jump and get it. Good boy. Good boy. You look so regal. Oh, okay. Sorry for the compliment.
Maybe you should throw it from down there so he doesn't have to keep jumping up.
No, he's jumping up. Look at him. He's pro.
But his hips.
Pro. Hey. Oh.
Into the tree.
Hey.
Whoa.
Wow.
He's out of here. I think he's getting tired.
Yeah. I'll throw one more for you, and then I'm gonna go get you some water, okay? First, I'm so thirsty.
Yeah.
Get some water.
Good idea. Good boy, Bruce. Good boy. Oh, good job, man. You want a treat? Here you go. Yeah, that's so good. He said, "Oh, mother, you're good." Yeah, let's take a break, Bruce. All you can see in frame is he was eating that hot dog so gently out of Ken's. Yeah, you know what Ken called him? Dainty.
Dainty. That's definitely Bruce.
Do you think every truck he hears, he thinks it's Uncle Ken coming back to him?
Maybe.
Like a widow waiting for her husband from work. Oh, such a...
Oh, hey. Alright, let's let that one go. Yeah. It's a V, okay?
He's like, he's a son of a gun. It was buzzing
Whoa.
by my tail.
Oh my god. Oh.
Was it on you?
Yeah.
There he is. Good boy, Brucey. There's 3.
He does like that sprinkling.
Mm-hmm.
That's enough.
Oh.
Yeah. Relax. There we go. People are going to ask you what you did on your long weekend. You could say, I sat on Auntie BJ's deck and watch the dogs play the sprinkler.
Yeah.
And relaxed.
And relax.
There's definitely a big difference in like relaxing at home. You end up thinking about all the things you need to get done, so it's not really that relaxing. But being somewhere else, then it's like, oh, I can actually relax.
Oh my gosh. Molly's
very
right
different.
about that. When you're not at home, you don't have access to all the tasks. The mundane, everyday,
Mm-hmm.
gotta get this stuff done.
Or like projects that you've left.
Yeah.
She's such a goober.
He is a water dog. He really doesn't need a pool here.
Mm-mm.
At the ocean, he just has a
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
and the wave comes in and goes like this and he jumps.
Yeah, the beach is fun. It's just, it's hard because I feel like at any moment he's gonna take off after some kids running by, especially. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, I did. Well, not like this part after. Come here, bud. Come here. Good boy. Good boy, Bruce. You can right go up there. Go down right there. And then you can see where the edges are. Mm.
You don't want that. All of this was right.
And that was one of those ugly trees. See how they grow?
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
And it was just a huge tangle. We had to cut that tree. Blackberries growing 40 feet up.
Oh my god.
Yeah. And we couldn't get them out. We got most of the blackberries out of these guys. But yeah, it was all...
That's crazy. I've never heard of them climbing trees.
Yeah. That's a pear tree. But the pears are so high, we really can't do anything with it. So we just let the wildlife have them.
Yeah.
These berries are supposed to be really healthy. They have a little star shape on the end.
What are they called?
Of course you would ask.
Yeah, I'll say
And I can't remember right offhand.
Elderberries?
These are, but we've got these things all over the property. They have a big seed in them. Oh, good one.
You got a venture done?
Mm-hmm. Good boy. Good boy. Come here.
All the big blackberries are too tall.
Oh, there's a ton of them up there. You want to go before me?
First one.
Oh, Jesus. He's running. No big deal for him.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Road would come up, of course.
Those would be great for a couple of people.
It would, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Or like a couple hammocks somehow.
Oh,
For what?
hammocks.
That'd be nice.
But only in the shade.
Those.
Yes.
Could do one of those, what do you call it? Those
Pergolas?
lion things?
Zip line
Oh, zip
Yeah,
lines.
for the food.
Oh, there you go.
And then you can just walk down.
Perfect.
No, seriously, why not?
Going to eventually be a walking trail.
Come on. Good boy.
But we ran out of time in the spring. But this is all solid brush too.